Hey everybody, and welcome to the Phone Freak. Today we have the unboxing of the vtech LS6217. $40 at Best Buy, which is not necessarily a bargain. You can see every one of these pictures on this box. It's got what looks like two handsets, but there's really only one inside, and we're going to see it right now. Let me get these scissors and do the YouTube one-handed unboxing over here. Ooh, while I hold the camera with the other hand. Alright, getting a little tricky here. I think am I strong enough to... No. Alright, hold on. Let me cut that little edge there. And do it backhanded. Alright, yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Deck 6.0 digital in here. Looking forward to looking at this. This is supposed to be a very slim handset. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Whoa, first thing you see here, this is the 9 graphic plates that you use to express yourself by customizing the back of your cordless phone. So I think it said that there were 9 on the box, so let's take these out and look at the designs. Very nice orange with a V for VTech, and like a purple with a V for VTech. And a little graphics motherboard type design, tattoo, a green V with some halo. What is it? The green motherboard design. And let's see, what do you got here? I kind of lost track. How many of these? I think I counted 7. Maybe some are stuck together, and the plastic that goes on top of there. So those are your. That's what you're paying the big bucks for. Is that customizability? Okay, here we got the egg crate design here on here. Alright, let me do this upside down so everything doesn't just fall right out. Oh, do a little camera switch here. Apologies for the shakiness. Alright. Let's see now. Alright, how am I going to do this? Alright, let me think about this. Alright, I'll do it with my righty. There we go. It's coming out. Oh, this is like the birth of a cordless phone. Alright, here's the user's manual. It's amazing they still put these things together. Let's take a quick peek at this. Got your registration form. I never fill these out. Hey, congratulations. Thank you. Here's some nice schematics on a phone. Look at more schematics on how you plug this thing into the wall and into your phone jack. Very nice. Alright. And here we have the slim handset. Feels sturdy. Take a look at that a little later. See what else we got in the box. Here is the beginning of the personalization. Basically, this whole set is about personalizing and changing up the colors of this thing. So you can see the green and orange. Here's a standard, what do they call that? RJ45 phone jack. There's the orange backplate. And here's the green backplate. Okay. Looks like a mouthpiece, doesn't it? Alright, push that out a little bit. What else do we have here? We've got the actual base here. Looks nice. Comes with what looks like a... What is that? A bluish purple backplate. So you got your purple, your green, and your orange. Take the plastic out. It's nice though, it's compact. It's not wall mountable though, but this wasn't meant to mount on the wall. It's got a nice futuristic type design, and as you can see, just 2 plugs in the back, the phone and the electrical cord. And you could interchange the backs with those. Here's the actual AC plug. It's nice. I mean, standard stuff. And the backplate with the battery. Not a plastic. It's a really small battery. What is it? Wow. But should last about 5 days, so about a week. Standby. Let's pop the handset out here and take a look at this bad boy. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. It's got the Spider-Man or what I call the Spider-Man font on those buttons. Now look, it looks like it's got a speakerphone in the back, but no speakerphone, no place to plug a a headset if you're into headsets, which I like to occasionally have a headset on. So if you could do without also no voicemail. Did I mention that? But it does interestingly have a voicemail indicator, so definitely useful for your voice over IP solution, which is really the future. So lack of voicemail is not that much of a big deal, but still, for $40, you kind of expect that to be in there. So let's take a little side view. Nice. Let me take this plastic off. Oh yeah, love that sound. New phone sound. And there you go. So let's see. Calls coming in. What am I doing? Looking at my phone. It's got that reverse LCD on there. It's really nice. Kind of like a bluish white on black. Buttons are nice and clicky. See what I mean by that Spider-Man font? Look at the 3. Yeah, it looks like Spider-Man 3. Caller ID. 15 number phone book entry. Volume rocker right up there. Volume controls. Kind of like, really imitating the cell phone designs. Take the plastic off of that too. So you got the vtech logo there on the bottom if you're into that. That looks nice. Kind of swivels in there a bit, but that's because it doesn't have the back plate, so that'll fit in nice and snug once I put the back plate on. So, gorgeous little phone. You know what? We should take a look at the... let's put the back plate on there, see if we get rid of that swivel. Let's just quickly plug that in. I won't bother putting the battery in right now. Put that right in there. So, feels very sturdy in the hand, very thin, yet long, so it's comfortable to talk on. Let's take a look at those back plates now. Let's just pick one. Tattoo? No, let me just... what, the blue... No, I don't like the blue V. Oh yeah, I like this one. Kind of like tacky. Kind of like a motherboard. So let's see how that would work. So that just kind of, you slip it right in there, and there you go. Right, oops, oh, wait a minute. Is this supposed to be a sticker? No, it's just a piece of cardboard. What gives? Okay, you put the, okay, I get it. You put that here, and then you put the plastic on the back, that plastic cover, and gives the phone some style. That's it. This is all about style. So listen, this has been the unboxing of the vtech LS6217. Love it. Clickety clack the buttons, and there's all your gear. So I'm gonna have fun setting this thing up and personalizing it. So listen, I wanted to thank every one of my subscribers for your comments and your ratings, and remember to visit my blog at thephonefreak.com and help me support myself so I can get more gear. Peace out.